she made a sacrifice, she never lay down, yeah, she gonna ride for me.
All right, guys, welcome back. Here to unravel the musical legacy and personal reflections of his late father's life and the enduring influence of his father's iconic musical career on his own journey is Mr. Buddahbabywhoo. No, you know I said that right? It's not a mistake. He is the son of the legendary Robbie Shakespeare. I am so honored to be talking to this gentleman. Good morning to you, sir. How you do?
Good morning. How you doing?
I am amazing. And let me just say and tell you, long live the legend, Robbie Shakespeare, because he's impacted the lives of so many of us Jamaicans, lovers of music, with his bass guitar. May his legacy live on forever. And you are a true representation of that legacy. So let's talk about this whole journey now of embracing a legacy like your father's own legacy now and how you're continuing with that. What's that like? Is it pressure?
Not really pressure, because, grow up around him and see him work and just see how him do things, it's not really a pressure, it just feel natural.
Yeah. So we see that the guitar is behind you as well. That's your very own bass guitar you were telling me a while ago before we started. So it's not Robbie's guitar, guys. Yeah, calm down. It's Buddahbabywhoo's personal bass guitar. So the musical journey for you had no choice in the matter.
Yeah, no choice. It just... like one day I just get up and just start play bass. And I didn't even ask my father, I didn't even ask him for no pointers or nothing. Just get up and start play bass. And he was even shocked when he found out someone play bass,
Wow. So hold on, he did not know that you were a bassist yourself?
Yeah, at time I was playing football. I live in the States, I was playing football. Playing American football at the time, was trying to go to college and stuff. So nobody know about me playing bass. And just one day, I come around and say, "Oh, you have a bass?" I say, "Yeah, I can play it." I'm actually playing, show him a couple of videos that I have on YouTube. I'm a lick and play,
Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh. So did his love affair with music spark your own love affair with music as well?
Yes. Mostly his singing, because, the harmonize a lot. Him love the harmony, him love the singing. So mostly that's, I kind of stand firm on the singing part and the harmony, and then the bass playing, came in naturally,
Yeah. So you sing as well, because you said most of the singing.
Yes, I sing. I kind of do everything, sing, rap, the dancehall, everything.
Wow, that's incredible. So you sing, you play the bass guitar. What else do you do? You say rap, you do dancehall as well?
Yeah, I do dancehall, more into the Afrobeat type of style right now, because, that's a lick right now, but I try to stick to that. I play the bass, the drums, play a little bit of keys. I love the saxophone, but I don't know how to play. So one day,
No, I love that. And I'm happy you didn't feel confined to doing reggae music alone, I'm happy you decided to explore more than just what you were introduced to through your father.
Yeah, that's one thing my father teach me. I always teach me just to be open. Never shut out somebody, because you never know how that person can help you or even influence your music too,
Yeah.
There's always room to grow and be creative,
So let me ask you this though, because I know when I was introducing you a while ago, there's somebody in their homes right now wondering, did Debbie say the right name? Buddahbabywhoo. That's not your right name, right? That's your artist name. That's not your birth name.
Yeah, that's not my birth name. My birth name is Sean Shakespeare.
So, you left from Sean Shakespeare and gone Buddahbabywhoo. Come now, talk to me. How this work?
When you live in America, them like to tease you, to me, a big youth. I'm more on the bigger side, so them like to make fun of me, and them just call me Buddha, and the name just stick throughout the years, and then the Babywhoo just came after me, just being in the studio with a bunch of the American guys rapping and stuff, the Babywhoo just came after.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's a very interesting story, I should say. And as you mentioned there about being in the studio with so many other artists, in the American culture as well. In your own path in music, what are some of the things that you are paying keen attention to?
The change in music. I have to stay relevant with it. And, a lot of change, a lot of new artists coming out, a lot of new songs coming out. So I try to stay focused on what's going on, but also do my own thing at the same time,
Yeah. Any projects right now that you're working on?
Just a second album. I have an album out right now called Trust the Process. I'm on all platforms, but I'm, my shit about the second one,
Yeah. So any contributions from Sly?
Of course, talk to Sly on a daily.
Because he's your godfather, right?
Right. Give me a lot of pointers, because I grew up around him, so it's not hard to reach out to him or even get a little pointer from him. I try to really stay to myself and really build me as an artist. So when I do present the music to him, it sounds good, and him can say, yeah, man, and so far I get good reviews. So
yeah. Were you scared that there would be a lot of expectations for you because you are the son of a legend like Robbie Shakespeare when you entered the music industry? Yes,
I mean, it's still a lot of expectation, but I try to let people understand the difference between me and my father, I understand the expectation, but I am me at the same time, So I would definitely continue the journey, but I hope them accept me too,
Yeah. I know that is very, very true, because I know of, kids of famous musical parents who are actually shying away from telling people who their parents are because of the same issue of the expectation that they're supposed to be sounding like or doing the music like their parents did. What advice would you have? For somebody who's navigating that space right now?
Continue doing you. Focus on the basic stuff that, if your father or mother who is a legend, focus on the basic stuff that they did, because the basics always seem to come and help, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Don't stress yourself too much, just continue being you and focus on the journey, focus on the path, and don't let nobody be in your ears or tell you say you can't do something,
Yeah. All right, my final question for you, because we're almost out of time. What's one thing that you admired most about your father? And what's one thing you admired most from Robbie Shakespeare, the artist?
The way him deal with me as a son. You know what I mean? I'm deal with me as a son that, it's different. Him never give me Robbie Shakespeare, the legend. Him give me Robbie the father. You get what I'm saying? And then, him work ethic when it come to him picking up the bass or even being in the studio overall. It just, really just focus and stand firm and really, really work hard. Work hard. Work really, really hard. So. Yeah.
Listen, you just sent me some goosebumps a while ago, so I felt that on a deep level. I know you were truthful about that expression. Congratulations to you on what you're doing in the music industry, and I can't wait to see what you do in your own path, all right? All the best.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. That was Buddahbabywhoo, the son of the legendary Robbie Shakespeare. More when we return right here on Weekend Smile. Stay with us.
Blessing is a thing where we are so gay.